How to fix World App account exists on this device error. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the account exists on this device error inside the World app. If you've been trying to log in or create a new account but keep running into this problem, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to solve it step by step. Let's get started. First thing you want to try is simply restarting your phone. A quick reboot clears temporary files and refreshes the system, and in many cases, that alone can fix the error instantly. If the problem is still there, move on to the next step. Uninstall the World app completely from your phone. Then head over to the App Store or Google Play, download it again, and do a fresh installation. This clears out any leftover data or glitches that might be stuck on your device. Now here's something really important you need to know. The World app only allows one account per device. That means you cannot create multiple accounts on the same phone. If you try, the app will block you and show this exact error. So, what's the workaround? If you want to create a new account, you'll need to do it on a different device, like a second phone or a tablet. After setting it up there, you can log into that new account from your main phone without running into issues. But let's say you don't have another device available. In that case, your best option is to contact World App Support directly. Open the Help section inside the app or visit their official website and submit a request. Make sure to explain that you're getting the account exists on this device error and include your phone model. Their support team will walk you through recovery or provide the exact steps you need to fix it. And that's it. By following these simple solutions, you'll be able to get back into your World app account without confusion or wasted time.